Linux Mint versus LMDE. Which version of Linux Mint should you choose? Choosing between Linux Mint and Linux Mint Debian Edition is a question that many Mint users eventually ask, and it is one that gets more interesting the more you understand what separates the two. Both editions come from the same Linux Mint development team, share the same desktop environments and core applications, and deliver the familiar Mint experience that millions of users rely on. The difference lies entirely in their foundations, with the standard edition built on Ubuntu and LMDE built directly on Debian. This comparison breaks down what that difference actually means in practice so you can choose the edition that fits your needs. Linux Mint is the standard edition of the distribution and the version that the vast majority of users install and use every day. It is built on top of Ubuntu's long-term support releases, which gives it access to Ubuntu's large package repository, broad hardware compatibility improvements, and the extensive community resources that come with being part of the Ubuntu ecosystem. The standard edition receives updates that are well tested and aligned with Ubuntu's release schedule, and its combination of stability and software availability makes it the safest choice for most users regardless of experience level. Mint Standard Edition also tends to have the broadest driver support and the smoothest experience on newer hardware. Linux Mint Standard Edition is best suited for the overwhelming majority of users who want the most reliable, well-supported, and hardware-compatible version of the Mint experience. Linux Mint Debian Edition, known as LMDE, is a version of Linux Mint built directly on Debian stable rather than Ubuntu, and it exists primarily as a contingency project that ensures Linux Mint can continue if Canonical ever discontinues Ubuntu. LMDE delivers the same Cinnamon desktop experience and Mint applications that users know, but it operates on Debian's slower-moving and highly stable package base rather than Ubuntu's more frequently updated foundation. This results in a system that is extremely stable and somewhat more conservative in its software versions, which appeals to users who prioritize rock-solid reliability above all else. LMDE is also a good choice for users who prefer to avoid the Ubuntu layer and want a more direct connection to the Debian ecosystem. LMDE is best suited for experienced Linux users, Debian enthusiasts, and users who want the Mint experience on a pure Debian foundation. Feature comparison. Linux Mint and LMDE deliver the same core desktop experience but differ in their foundations in ways that matter for hardware compatibility, software availability, and update frequency. The standard edition is the better choice for most users thanks to its broader hardware support and larger software ecosystem. LMDE is the better choice for users who prefer Debian's foundation and want an exceptionally stable system that avoids the Ubuntu layer entirely. For the vast majority of users, the standard edition is the right starting point. Final thoughts. If you are new to Linux Mint or want the most compatible, well-supported, and broadly accessible version of the distribution, the standard Ubuntu-based edition is the right choice and will serve you well in virtually every situation. If you are an experienced user who prefers working closer to Debian, wants to avoid Ubuntu's influence on the stack, or simply wants the most conservative and stable foundation possible, LMDE offers the same great Mint experience on a rock-solid Debian base. Both editions are excellent, and the choice comes down to how much the underlying foundation matters to you.